drawing and coloring game. O for onion, we started the series of alphabet learn with vegetable. So first of all, we draw the sketch of O for onion.
Amazing!
Now we fill the color in it. I
Amazing!
hope you